Hello everyone, let us discuss a topic on investigating the impact of artificial intelligence on the project management. Abstract. This study addresses the gap in empirical research on how the artificial intelligence assimilation AIASS impacts on organizational outcomes like the firm performance FPERF, organizational agility ORGAG, and customer agility CUST. AG. It draws on the dynamically capability view to assess the mediating roles of the ORGAG, which is organizational agility, and CUSTAG, which is the customer agility, in the relationship between the AI assimilation AIASS under the firm performance FPERF using the data from the 205 US supply chain executives. The findings confirm that the artificial intelligence assimilation significantly influences the firm performance, organizational agility, and customer agility with a stronger effect on the organizational agility. Additionally, the organizational agility predicts both customer agility and the firm performance with the stronger influence on the customer agility. Both organizational agility and the customer agility partially mitigate the artificial intelligence assimilation firm performance relationships. The study discusses implications for the research and the practice while acknowledging the limitations and suggesting the areas for the future research. Introduction. This study investigates how the artificial intelligence assimilation AIASS impacts organizational outcomes like the organizational agility and the customer agility and also the firm performance. Addressing a gap in the current literature, the research is based on the hypothesis that artificial intelligence technologies must be fully assimilated across the business process to help the firm achieve competitive advantage. Drawing from the dynamically capability view DCV and using an online survey of 205 US supply chain executives, the study seeks to answer the two main research questions, which are as follows. The first question is, what are the direct effects of the artificial intelligence assimilation on the organizational agility, customer agility, and the firm performance? And the second question is, what are the mediating effects of the organizational agility and the customer agility on the relationship between the artificial intelligence assimilation, which is the AIASS, and the firm performance, which is the FPERF? The literature review highlights the prior research on the IoT assimilation and its benefits for the firm performance, innovation, and the value creation. But artificial intelligence assimilation has been less explored. Evidence suggests that the artificial intelligence has great potential for the business value, productivity, innovation, and economic empowerment. However, artificial intelligence adaptation is still limited, and its full impact on the organizational performance has not been fully realized. The research findings indicate that the artificial intelligence association significantly affects the organizational agility, customer agility, and the firm performance, with organizational agility being a strong predictor of both customer agility and the firm performance. The results are discussed in the context of existing literature, with implications for the research and the practice, and the study of conclude by identifying the limitations and suggesting the areas for the future research. A premier of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is defined as the system of ability to interpret the external data correctly, to learn from such data, and to use those learnings to achieve the system specific goal and the task through flexible adaptation. Well, for the first article on artificial intelligence can be tracked back to the 1940s. It is only recently that these technological received much attention from both practitioners and scholars, mainly because of availability of the big data that enabled the emergence. Research model and the hypothesis development. This study is drawn from the emerging literature on artificial intelligence and the dynamic capability view DCV to propose the research model presented. Research design. Data were collected from the US-based firms, senior managers, and the mid-level managers for the supply chains through a web-based survey. The study targeted respondents where the artificial intelligence tools and the systems were already deployed across the various organizational and inter-organizational operations. More precisely, the following constructs artificial intelligence assimilation, organizational agility, customer agility, and the firm performance were adopted respectively from the LIU ET al. 2016, Roberts and Grover. Data analysis and results. The main demographic characteristics of this sample. The age distribution shows the respondents in the range of 31 to 43 were the majority, accounting for 52.20%. Regarding gender, male participants were 67.30%, while the female achieved 32.70. Regarding the highest education level, participants with the bachelor's and the master's degrees accounted for 46.83% and the 24.88% respectively. The participants came from the variety of industries, however, the most expensive sections were represented. Discussion. The purpose was to examine the direct effects of the artificial intelligence assimilation on the organizational agility, customer agility, and the firm performance. The mediating effects of both organizational and customer agility on the artificial intelligence assimilation and firm performance link were also studied. The results obtained proved provided the strong support to all the proposed hypotheses. More precisely, the proposed nomological network showed that the artificial intelligence assimilation, which is AIASS, is an important predicator of the firm performance of FPERF. The beta value is 0.367 and the p value less than 0.01. And for the customer agility, the beta value is 0.267. We come to the conclusion of the topic. This study conceptualized and testing the impact of artificial intelligence assimilation on the firm performances as well as the mediation effect of organization and customer agility on this relationship. The findings suggest that artificial intelligence assimilation is an important predicator of the firm performance, organizational and customer agility with a varied intensity. For example, stronger effects on the organizational agility. Besides this, research also identified the customer agility as a predicator of the firm performance, well organizational.